Hey guys, welcome to 4K Blu-ray. Today I have two updates to show you. Imports from Canada. Here we have Kick Ass and Piranha. They both are combo packs, Blu-ray and DVD. So let me start with Piranha. It's all in matte finish, with the words Piranha embossed, so nicely done. Here's the flyer. This part surrounding here, the picture is kind of metallic, so really nice. So here we have the Blu-ray and the DVD. Now let me show you the inside artwork. So once again, this is the DVD and this is the Blu-ray. In my opinion, I think the artwork on the DVD is much better than the Blu-ray. And now let's take a look at Kick Ass. Also in matte finish, nothing embossed. The text is all in English and French. The special features is only on the Blu-ray. So here we have the Blu-ray, DVD, and a flyer. So let's take a look at the inside artwork. So once again, this is the DVD with Hit Girl on the design, and the Blu-ray has Big Daddy. Now let me show you here the audio and special features. Piranha comes with English DTS HD Master Audio 5.1 and French Dolby Digital 5.1. Subtitles English and Spanish. For Kick Ass we have English as DTS HD Master Audio 7.1 and French Dolby Digital 5.1. Subtitles English and Spanish. As you can see, no French subtitles for neither one of them. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.